So, welcome everybody. My name is Ram Kumar. I am with the Friends of South Asia who's putting together this event. This is our 4th annual South Asian Literary Evening. It's also our 5th celebration of joint Indian and Pakistan Independence Days.
I'm very excited that we've been able to put this together on an uninterrupted basis.
The title of this page is 54 Chaurangi Lane by Rinku Datta. In the fork of a branch on the neem tree, a crow's nest, an artless, untidy tangle of twigs, with stray strands dangling in the air, a pair of birds hopping in and out, arranging the twigs with their beaks. Express I was traveling in had pulled into Sialda station in Calcutta.
Do you recognize any of the people sitting
Oh,
here?
definitely, they all were there. Otherwise, they won't be here.
So she says, I wrote coming home this year towards the end of my 3-month stay in Pakistan.
One good thing about the rainy season in the village of Myrim, on the outskirts of Chiang Mai, northern Thailand, is that frequent downpours last just a few hours before the sun peeks out through the nimbus clouds again.
एक उंगल का बॉर्डर। जब कभी कोई खातून किसी महफिल में दाखिल हों, तो उनके लिए भरपूर तालियां बजानी चाहिए। अब आप खुद हिसाब लगाएं, ईस्ट वेस्ट के फैशन को नज़र में रखकर, इंडियन हीरोइन को गौर से देखकर, पहले न जाने कितने उंगल कपड़ा खरीदना, रंग वाले से मामूल के मुताबिक लड़ना। मैंने तुमसे तरबूज के रंग का बॉर्डर कहा था, ये पान की पीक मैं कहाँ पहनूंगी?
The origination of the musical chair. Long time ago in a land far from education, lived a class of people called the cross-legged. Their history was that they sat cross-legged on the floor, using their right leg as the dominant one to intertwine with the left in the form of a figure 8.
Okay, so it's called the Dancing Girl of Mohenjo-daro, and I visited Mohenjo-daro 3 times in my life, so revisiting again and again, working on this. So I first experienced Kyot Wak Piki, the end of the world as we know it, as the lead up to Y2K. It salvated the appetite of the Akhrat crowd. But the sky is falling prophecy was finally fulfilled only by 911.
Please, refer to her as either mastermind terrorist, Al-Qaeda operative, or Osama's baby's mama.
Osama's baby's mama. Fast forward 6 weeks. Yesterday, the FBI gave me the honor of leading my spur posse in apprehending Osama's baby mama from her sleeping cell headquarters, her bedroom. After handcuffing her and advising her of her rights, I asked her, "So you're the Al-Qaeda mastermind, right?" The potent, the one, the only, the president.
All right.
My fellow Americans, howdy. Since the staff did most of the talking, I'll be brief. Y'all know I'm not a talker. I'm a doer. I like to do things. And I'm the decider. I hear the voices, and I read the front page, and I hear the speculations. But I'm the decider. I decide what's best. You can call me the decider-in-chief from now on.
We tortured Omar Hayat, the son of Hamid Hayat, and he confessed under torture that he and his father were Pakistanis, immigrants, Muslims, prayed, went to mosque.
In all the world, for all those who oppose to our vision, whether they be terrorists, aliens, immigrants, foreign nations, or dissenters, all I have to say is this. Pow-pow! There is a definite good, the bad, and the ugly. And we as America are definitely the good, fighting the bad, and trying to keep the ugly away from our country. We're like Gary Cooper. We talk not with words, but with actions. Every day is high noon. For us, like we'd take out the wild bunch with our Winchester 73, and like Shane, we never look back. We're the searchers.